So here you want to look for dried flowers. You want to find the most dry and pull them. Sometimes it's not easy. You gotta work a little hard, but they should more than likely snap right off. So you just go around collecting. See, that one was easy. All the dried flowers. And these are where your seeds are going to be stored. I think a little birdie might have gotten to that one. Oh, look at the little pretty flowers. Still have more blooming. As long as they're dry and don't look like the first one I showed you, you should get some really good quality seeds out of them. That's the one the birdie got to. They like to take all my seeds. But just snap, hold at the base, and snap. No tools required. And if it's not snapping easily, then it's probably not completely dry. I think we have enough. This plant has been reseeding itself all season, and it's still growing and it still has flowers on it. It's so beautiful. Like, look at that one. It's just about to bloom, looking so pretty. Okay, so here you're just gonna crumble the petals. And those little white things with the black tips, those are petals. Your seeds are actually in that little arrowhead pod that I just flicked to the side to show you the seed. That's your seed. Those are the things that you want to look for. And I can usually find about 4 good seeds in one flower pod, as long as the flower has grown all the way. Just a little close up. And you can't hurt these babies. As long as you're rubbing gently, rubbing the petals back gently, you're going to find the seeds. They're little black arrowheads and you can't miss them. They look like seeds, the seeds that come out the package. They're not tiny, none of that. They look like little black triangles. Hang on, Gucci. I'm recording. So you just want to play with the seeds a little bit, play with the pods. Sometimes you may not see any seeds. That's why it's good to practice and do your seed sorting on a paper towel, on a white paper towel. And like you see here, I just crumble my pod, crumble the petals when I'm not seeing any seeds, because sometimes they could be hiding from you, like that one right there. And that one. And it's just good to have that white paper towel. because you'll be able to see all the seeds that you couldn't see in the pod. So there were 4 seeds in that pod that I couldn't see. So here are your seeds. Please remember to like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. Thank you for watching.